don't want to disrespect you.
Okay.
So, if Posey is ready to sign an agreement, I will withdraw the case.
If he sign only an agreement,
yes,
he's willing to withdraw the case. Okay.
Yes.
He's going to sign it.
Yes. Agreement that he will stop threatening me by he sent me money and all those rubbish. Yes, he's gonna sign an agreement so that I will withdraw the case. If not, I can never. And
only God
I'm not
knows
ready
you are
to
clean.
do that.
And only God knows you don't have hands in this issue. If it's only an agreement, okay, done. It's a done deal.
Me, I not have any problem.
Okay.
With that.
So please, can we go to the police station? Can we go to the police station and withdraw the case?
But the agreement will be signed first before any
Don't
other
worry.
movement.
Just handle that.
Have to be signed agreement before any other movement.
Don't worry.
It's meant to be.
Oh, this shema. Oh, na 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 na. Mi pesa mi don nipa, sansubu nipa. Minya mese nipa, friso nipa nyane nipa te. Enso nipa kroya wadane ni ukoko ne konebi. Okweti fi kongurizwa, na wabana foba baby sami.
Bro, have a seat.
Black. You know everything is time, right? Time will come. The time will surely come.
You see that? This all La Canta, I just put you for you to learn lesson. They say why Jene bra for kakra. Hope you perceive the odor and the aroma.
Sister, you see the way he's mocking me.
Forget.
You are mocking me, bro.
It's a lesson.
Forget and let's come out. That's it.
Me of all people in sales.
It's a lesson.
Me of all people, black. Sister.
Pussy.
Can you see that?
Pussy. Don't forget to get inside, okay?
Can you see that? That is the reason why I don't want to
just get inside and have a very warm shower and sleep, okay?
I better go and bath.
Yes,
Black.
You just smell it. Go and bath first. You have to bath and
God.
brush your teeth before talking to me.
Just shut up, bro.
Let him go and bath.
Just get inside, okay? He's even pissing me off.
So in answer what it? They say also in answer because of next time. So in answer.
Silence is good. Okay. Always remember that silence is good. The downfall of a man is not the end of his or her success. It's not the end of his success, but the beginning of his strength. Remember that.
Okay, so maybe for this one.
Am I talking to you?
Back in.
Black.
Can you just keep quiet?
In the days. It's not right now.
Black, you're so fun.
Bro,
Sis.
I'll give you something for a startup.
Thank you.
And it's a promise from me.
Please go and bath first. You are spoiling my this thing. What is it?
Everything is time. Sis, let's go.
I hope you have your feet. Oh, let's go.
Let's
Sis, I'm coming. No, come and stand here. Idiot.
Eti haya aduma bejina ipa ya ma.
Me wo fa no wo ho no me pese obe hu.
Uni said the second time odi madwane abetete. Sisi abontia me say gina obi am free abochi aba. Brahma brain na we didn't be inside no side ma be gina bontin.
No for na some kind day. Na some kind day. Nti na me person obi hu. Ohun sisi a obe how. Wo obe how.
Matilda nya hwe. Isi a ba me bai ni na say. Isi me ho abekire me.
Semo.
Me bai so sika na me wo ha na me send ma me wo fa na me brother yi. Woni me say wa say scan. One fancy fee ni so ama me. Project am cast. What you say? Project am cast when you na wa anye o. Etu nim sisi an o de yen phone de no to change for now. Na on say me na me ma o ska bi say aware no ho hyehye na anti no.
Ah, bene. Adi asen.
Bene, ene de me ye wadanfo.
Me no na go school. Don na wo ye.
Hey. Edi na me tete wo.
Me ye wadanfo.
Hey! Hey.
Wani.
What's in here?
Look at the dressing.
You are what's in the dress? Hey, come on. Hey. Bene.
Me class.
Hey. Who bother man? Who bother? Only born in the casano. Oh, catch look at dressing. Look at who know what's the dressing. What do you mean now? Eh, Bene.
Obi o catch me say me ye onua bema.
Tell him that you know. What bother? Bene, go back.
I don't want to see blood here. Bene, me ban boko. I don't want to get angry at you.
That's me no na course. Who me why?
Hey, Bene. Hey. See, make a time no work. Make a time no be no afia. Men so
Bene come here.
Hey.
Bene come here.
Emma. Hey. I'm not casting and show. Obana men no, me no. Listen to me. With the agra. Me jokra. Efronse. Obanti.
Me cry.
Men na me catch. So when you nyansa,
you can't live in the state.
So pent with him grader. I don't just walk about them. What you make catch on?
Threat, Mama police at you. Mama
Abra what me do?
Fatty. Threaten me.
We are both small. We are so bound. What did you flag?
Lunatic. See this lunatic person.
Natic. I bought cinnamon and natic.
Uncivilized.
Oh, civilized like you.
Now me say back in the States saying I'm dressy. Una won't mean 2 points.
Eh, so what me how? If you out me how be for what?
Bene.
Hey. That me for Jimmy ko.
I'll come back again.
For Jimmy ko.
Oh yeah, men ko. Then I beg.
Bon sam me.
We shall meet again. Oba me matiska. Abro say, "Yeah, Baba, why me buy ya?"
Last warning.
What the matter?
Me last warning. Wouldn't him. Not if you don't. Me come and I'm can't make you careful. Now bring them copy off. Hey, brother.
Abodam.
Hey, brother. What's what you home? Huh? Hey, what's what you home? Me kese se wonti home. Brother, o person who some kuta wana. Ana beja. Brother, e dey na me tfanya wo. Brother, dia ben open na me nyama. E no fen famo.
Oh. Me schoolmate. Me no go school na. No so pem. Oh, tina ama obi ase me. Oya me bibia madam fo a.
Madam.
Kun se me do me timi fa wachi sa.
Bene man kasa me
fa wachi.
Madam
fo no.
Kasa na mo. Hey! Kasa na mo tie me. Bene. O peska me fama.
O de mame.
Me no da enso.
Esum ya me pe bia de mame.
E de na o pese me ye.
Madam fo keke.
Madam fo. Me mame nan e kan papa me hu ni da. Bene. Se bo we se sifia bene. Adam ekun. Ana mekun boy no. Se ka te se mekun. Unyini. Bene me kan papa o da form. Bene. Bon last respect am da man.
On ma habiem. Me mani ma habiem.
Metimani no. No boy ready am. Fa. Hey, da. Bene. Message edey. So be ye. What am I got on? Oh ye dane. What ye dane? Be me kwasia. O peti ti se bodamni. That's also happen to ti. Keles.
On ma habiem.
Me wa.
Me
O jimi kwai. Abua opportunity na medi oji. Abua.
Sure. My account. Hey, hi.
But you know, my assembly is a little bit harder. You need to understand. You see, I mean, who the minute is because me the last time class the thing happened in front of me. Me, I never knew say me nipa or like, you know, that bad stuff. But you don't worry, I'll talk to him for you, okay?
Can I ask you a favor?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. As a woman or as a lady, you say your special grace be able to share that the door. Do you know right? I don't want to dig in further. Use that power to talk to him.
Okay, I'll help you.
Please.
I'll try my best, you know. Okay, you know, I'm going to the sitting room, so we'll talk later.
Okay.
I'm doing something. This morning I would have to go and visit a friend. I think he's trying to fix me to some business.
What does that concern?
Fine. I think you maybe need more explanation to that. Can I get some 10 CDs and then use as a transport to do?
No, I don't have.
Black.
I don't have 10 CD.
I said 10
Me say nibi.
Come on, 10 CDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh,
Ghana CDs. Not be $10 so.
common 10 CD. Oh yeah, bring common 5 CD for your pocket. And then who stray me 10 CD? Who stray 10 CD? You can't even afford 10 CD.
Oh, yeah.
And you are here. If I talk, just they talk rubbish. Just they talk rubbish. Bring 10 CD. You are asking of 10 CD. I don't have. Maybe.
Black.
I have something to do with money, so I don't.
Black. Today I saw you counting money this early morning.
You see me counting money. Yes, it's important. I'm doing something important, not that your 10 CD. It's not important.
So what is so much important than me, your brother, your blood?
See, let me tell you. I don't need to talk to you. I don't have. Maybe. Why? Maybe next time. Why?
No problem.
If I go, what? It's okay. You're very fine.
Hey! Me pa this. Common things I no get. Since morning, it no be the food I think about self. How I go do the business? The business will go give me some small money too. I no get money, I go take the deal. Black.
Last time you were saying about something, say oh baby,
Yeah.
I just forget.
I said I needed money to change my car.
I know. Yes.
And get some stuff. I need to go shopping. I need to face my.
This guy. Allow me. What?
No.
You have been disturbing.
I know. Baby.
I'm coming.
And I've ordered for something from Amazon, you know. I need to make payments before. I have a lot of things on my wish list.
I say it's how much?
Okay. Okay, at least 20K, it's okay. You know.
Cheers.
But this money is not even up to 20K now.
You just manage this.
Baby, this money is not even up to 10K.
I'm coming. Oh.
Black. Black!
Can't you see I'm busy? What's your problem?
Atala.
You guys should start this thing in front of me again. Or me, I'm fed up with you guys.
Your mommy light bill. Take that one. Say your sister, your junior sister is going.
She's going to school.
Back to
I
school.
need to get some groceries for her.
I think that one can take
Yeah.
like
I
2,000.
think I saw 100 CDs.
Just manage it.
Okay, you give me the 50
Black.
cents.
Okay, let me
Black.
give you 200.
Thank you. Okay,
Black.
They worry.
Okay, I'm going now.
Hey, you are they worry.
Baby, later.
Black, hold on. So you dey pocket all that money. Black, you dey put all that money for your pocket.
Which one beside the pocket lion money? Do you give me any money to keep for you?
You know, this money I ask you for 10 cedis.
And then at that beer we near bread.
Oh, now you pay for. You be sure when you ask, who you pay for? Who person come? Black, and open busa 10 cedis. 10 cedis oh.
O pese o enyame na mbe kun. Enyame na mbe kun.
What you say? Enyame. What you say? My name say what be kind scam.
Because if I lay my hands like this, bro, you go die. You never chop, you can't dey talk rubbish.
You will lay your hands from my top.
For your top, I go learn. But enyame na mbe kun.
Black, you will die. Black, you know say this thing you do. This thing you do, no, it be you dey guess your body.
What bottom kura? What bottom?
Where's the car keys?
It's check it at the cupboard there. It's yeah.
Nyambe chiaka pao. Nyambe chiaka. This is one mame. Obisa kaki. What the kaki name? When baby am the test is neko.
This guy, are you stupid?
It's washing and name now be bunny where your mouth.
Can't you give me rest of mind?
Me, I should give you rest of mind. Or time person. It be time. Everything be time. It be time.
You're gonna
it
pack
be
out.
they take. Your time they take.
You're gonna pack out. This
No
time
problem.
for you to pack out.
No problem. I be we dey here. We go see. We dey here. Common 10 cedis.
What come and brochure on fashion? You are come to disturb me.
Oh, so you dey tell me?
What do you bring? Do you bring anything at home? Hey, God.
Black.
Don't disturb my soul. I see you as my junior brother. What?
Black.
Take your time.
Black. Pussy. And then, maybe come and say, maybe chamo must say, maybe chamo mbobre. Mpanyinfo say, ansa na ebe wo panyin kwase ya. Ansa na ebe wo akora nyansafo no, e bi ka wo panyin kwase ya. Mumienu nwa mema. Me no baako, e na me ntan baako. Me do mumienu nyina. Enne, me bebi ma no akasa. Nipo bebi na no obeso ma no. Na chere me se me bebi asijan. Se me se nti. Enne tray o tina ka. Enne wati wo tina wakan ade. Mo pra. Se sabi. Mo ko dana mo sore. Na mbobbo me punu man sore ya. Wana kwa akobọ amane. Anasa mu ba ku fi me ni wa. Wana beto funa afra mi. Anasa mu pia bo sa mo koto se obi bu ba ko a. Wo betimi akoso. Ade. Ye no ane se na amane. Ye no ane se e na amane. Efrim na be na mo sha se so amoma e ofia. Ade. What's me wakame? We should let all bygone be bygone. If we now crop, some kind of months here, I will force to set the shoes here. A damn it, trust me. What I can't remember to may force to come. So she can come. Let this be your last time or your last warning. Somebody choker. I'm tired. Are they? It's only a fast to get the candidate no. And if you have a free necro, so where do me car, so where the car, so we do Messica, so where Messica, whom you just. The word you know, the one you know, more meaningful. The aka actually, and I say about home by. I feel them my bremo. My bread. Remember, Cassa, get. What's happened when I come? A year, pussy. Sikam Ashe. Miaka Same Mosca, I hear you. Safasha say Bobra. May say the downfall of a man is not the end, but the beginning of a success. Oh, shut up. Chasso. Me say, my shamra not war. Me te choka. Ah. Muhume laugh in the beer. Some whom say the beer. Mohume munada. Muhume munada. Don't force to see it. Don't force to see my anger. Sister, because my anger can cause havoc. I'm done.
Why are you looking at me? Huh?
It'd be better for you to
I say, why are you looking at me now?
Laugh. It'd be better for you to listen to what sister said. It'd be better for both of us. Your answer will Big Bass Music.
Hey! Somebody! Mrs. Sawati! Who blame of ya? Masa one man and Kasa. Masa, what about the matam? Send me useless again, the Okasami. How dare you talking like that? Pierre!
Monsieur, who did
he? Tomu. What but I'm over to me? Who me answer us about Tomu? Who me answer on?
I know answer about. We have been to send me a to what's near Kasa.
What biba? Oh, Jabiba! I just am. And some more what I say, come to me now, she be done. Come on, both to me, don't me. So what do me a bois?
Open a benz arm.
The potato and a bois and the potato young couple as a more. Would you bet to attempt? What did you go cross the bay for a poor biba? Sorry, I thought I guess I'm not one, sir. Ah, Casa. Obviously, didn't come on. Yanqua. Now, but talk about me and I've boarded me. Oko woman, second, what do you mean? I'm enticing here. If you know, but Matty, would you want some about both war? Matty. Who want to buy?
Selena Mekano, Mambane Buffo, so no dem ban boko.
Obani Buffo so crown to me hwe. You call me feel now Mati. You call me kun say ah, e be say be free buy. E hwe be on me be ameti akwan wa udefo. E mu so nyansa kakra o.
O kaseti ami o.
O dem kasenti a o. Say Bible say the kwasiase na emfansa no kwasiase o me be say o. E me be ma o. Sorry.
Mate o de ye fani na tunche na obai odian beni.
Em wife amenity. Yeah, the wife amenity. The entire men no ba on ekono. Oba ma ware ma tim sika wona ye no ho ade. Abono ho ka. The wife wonu dey see here. Now baba no oba ni jamaica ba dimi matem. Wife no.
Na oni mi se beneka chem se wo ye no wofa. Beneka chem se wo ye no wofa.
Bene catch us no of an eme.
Me Benny na. Oh, me Benny na msema be bisa say the all can and cry and cry. My man in Tokwaso, I wouldn't to question me. O catch him so you no offer.
Benin wife. I can say.
Me ne Benin atna in fie bebree. Asa kwa na me tu kwan. Ana me wo ho no me seni ni ska.
Bamba. When Benin atna. So pa say o girlfriend Benin da.
Ne Benin atna in fie bebree. Asa na me ho kwa che me. Ana me se me ba. Me wo ni na me seni ni ska ene de baye ne ho ade che se awawe ni mu ahihye mu ane ye wo no.
Ndo be se ka o mienu.
Bana ka chem say your offer. Me pa me ben na me say we kwem kwa ke bit na de ele me ma.
Wona wona ne ya video ko na dwana dwano. Ayamia. Enti like one kind of crunch as we worry.
Bana ka sanchem. One ka sanchem. Ti me buy ni na am think can be confirm every one. What you say?
Emmanuel. Emma, you wicked. Emma, yo, Sidia. Emma,
Mesu.
Bene.
Tie. Ya Jimmy no tie. Why?
Messiah, say you should have missed no come up again with Missy knife for. Emma, Mabeka,
Asemo.
Senior,
Benepa,
Senior, waka mate wati. Oni bibi. Okojom oni ho.
Mate.
Ko etina. Bra.
Mate.
Benenie, unie, minie. Nefane tum fifi. Nie musa no. Oka na kura, Senior. Meja benama wati. Na kama bobi odi ababe. Ewanyo, wo ka yero beti. Wo ka yero beti.
Matia, o de said the wakana, no so eto asu ni pa. Enti me dia de medical. Meko. Oh.
Ene ne manye yi.
Ene jamisi ekwana no na me.
Mane supplement mi nko.
Efo acho.
Mane supplement ko.
Enko. Me kwa me yesen ka me de wo be kwa ko chia.
Sine jaja, me ba me show jai.
Baby.
Yes, dear.
Why didn't you answer my call yesterday night?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was very busy. That's why. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Are you angry?
Oh, no, I'm not.
I know you can never be angry when I'm there.
I can never be angry. No. It won't be possible.
It can never be possible. Why? Oh.
Okay.
How do you? My tomato furry.
I wanted to talk to you about something.
Oh, talk to me. Just feel free.
Yeah.
Feel free. What is it?
I have a friend of mine who called me yesterday night about a certain land. It's a very nice land,
Yeah.
And I want to buy it. But I don't have much on me.
Land.
Yeah, it's only 2 acres.
2 acres.
It's a very nice.
Why won't you find like 3 acres or 4?
You let me buy it. It's because of the money. It was too expensive. So
Oh.
I asked them to give me only 2 acres.
Okay. Oh, no problem. You know that I'm there for you. You understand? I'm a man enough to choose whatever I want or whatever I need. I'm there for you as a responsible man to take care of you.
Thank you, baby.
You know that you are the only one I have.
I know.
My sweet Toto. Oh, wow, no problem. Don't think about that. So it's how much?
It's 80,000 Ghana cedis. Just 80,000 Ghana cedis. You know, it's not that expensive, you know.
Yeah, just 80,000.
Just 80,000 Ghana cedis. And I know you can do more than 80,000.
Oh, I can do it. I can do more than that.
Thank you.
Money is nothing by my side.
Yes, it's not a problem. You know.
They say when money enter love is sweet. Oh. When money enter love is sweet.
Sweet.
My biggie.
Oh, baby,
If I see you like this, oh, just in fact, if you want me to jump for here,
hey,
I go
please,
jump.
you give me the money first. You don't have to jump without giving me the money.
Make I give you money if I jump. Hey! you and money. You love money so
you know,
much.
I need to look good for you now.
Oh, you're very good.
Don't you like what you are seeing?
You're very good. You're very good. You're very good. Oh, that's my baby. You're very good. Oh, I'm going to do it. Just give me from now to next tomorrow. I will forward it for you.
Maybe do it very quick, because nowadays these people are taking all the land away from us. And you know, so can't I get it this evening?
Oh, this evening?
Okay, you tomorrow morning.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow evening, okay.
Maybe tomorrow morning is okay, because I've already. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Money is nothing.
I've already told them that my baby is a billionaire. Yeah, like my baby is a vanguard.
I'm there,
catch,
I'm there
and
for you.
Never disappoint.
Never mention. Never mention. I'm there for you.
I know.
Baby, get something I want to tell you.
What?
Concerning my brother.
Okay.
Concerning my brother. Please, I'm begging you. Never you, ever give him 1 cedi. Even 10 pesos. Let me put it like this. Yes, it's my blood brother, but I know why I'm doing that. Never you.
So what if it's the thing that you're talking about is critical?
Forget about that. I have told you, I have told you, so bear it in mind that you can never do that mistake.
Baby, I can't be staring at your brother whilst he's dying. Like,
listen to me, please. I say listen to me. I don't want to raise my voice on you, please. Do what I told you to do. You understand?
So, okay.
Come. Oh, what happened? Are you angry or what?
Oh no, it's like you're commanding me.
No. Oh, it's not. God, sorry. It's not that I'm commanding you, but I just want you to understand. Just do it for me. Even 1 cedi. You understand?
Okay, I'll promise you.
You promise?
I'm going to. I can't promise, but I've heard you. No, I'm not good at promising.
But you behaving somehow. What is that?
I said okay. Like you are talking to your brother. How can you tell me if your brother needs help, I shouldn't help him? You don't have to see that.
Wait, let me tell you something. You know that you are not among our family.
I know, so I don't want to be the bad person here.
So you can't do what I told you to do.
I will try. I'll try.
Not that you will try. Just promise me that you won't do it. That's all. That is what I want to hear.
Okay, you are one.
Thank you very much. Sweetie. Arika.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, my money one year. I'm saying nya adwuma bi na ka me pay 10 cedis. Na ka me dia ko share ni pa. Eja oba ya meti we. Nka efe. Senka oba yi kwa kama mato aja surprise.
Oh, that's no problem. Oba yi bibia so. It's not a problem.
Let me depend so. Tika entina me buy 10 cedis.
The thing is, I just a main person member. Maybe I am member. So soon, who brought say when a man first can be a man.
Banya na say na who say no risk.
Oh, me can't say me niska. I'm not saying I don't have money. I have money on me. But what me want to say all this me mouth even 10 pesos like, you know.
Na haja o buy me no tell money.
No, I don't have any problem with you. But I'll say, and you know, me person na dey be on to kwan. I don't want to involve myself in it, you know. So, me person may be a better than me want to kwa. No say me near busi me keke.
No can dey room sad.
Yeah.
It's wunya 10 cedi, just 5 cedi square wunya ma. Kitwe bi am ka me de be fa car.
Me no, that thing is just say me new, me wo. But me to me mom. And me person no bra be san ku biom. Yo, I'm sorry. Me nya I'll do it. I can do more than that, but in busi man so. I'm so sorry. Would you like me coffee to have why? Are you okay?
Oh, wait me ako. But that's it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, going to be. Hey. Black. Come on, 10 cedis. I'm going to crash at the room. We name go see a cry, mammy. Sister Cratty Cronos and Rebel. Come on, 10 cedis.
Yo, Posse. Could be Posse.
Come on. Who's a good nigga?
Yeah, mention me, sir. Chi, me ba.
Well, myself.
I said, Utu Quano. And there may be a sound, especially color. You said, are you way quite a friend? And dear good friend, oh, Posse, a banner, sir. On one pound, so, and if you're the mammy family measure, said the old kind of young pa. And they said, yeah, me buy a white come on you. And I'm a queen.
Similar to bosses, I know. Me buy quite and can zinka, I say me quite and can give it to each but I could pay Java in same P. So now will come a color, sir.
Aye,
Miss Macodem.
Pussy. I don't know for them.
When you are boy, black. You die, Jimmy Pound fear.
Whom you are black.
Now, before that in the crown, my friends be banned. I said, so I can shaman on me.
Yes.
Scattery pie. Usunya, you call a drama, me ban me who soon. And you say, over bois for ya, papa, I saw what I do him say, dear. Yea, so cranny dema. And I'm seeing my mammy, madam, for investment in chance. I will not put the bonnet as scattery pie.
What do you know about your door?
A bomb me by you.
Pussy.
As I say, we own in Tanka. Our quackway at and for us, I quay with me idea. As I may catch you, none you, a big Julian. Send them wood and I'm sending scammer in your black.
Aye.
Send scammer in your opinion. So it didn't come on the dead. So we stake under monkey shadow. Snake under grass crab.
Me are black.
Me are black. Black I won't need ya. Black I won't need ya. Ah! The black DJ Mufia no.
Just a fear.
Hey, Eseweni.
Eseweni. Pussy. What you quite now? I show when you now. What you can man and say, oh, find out your man. Buy our shelter when you get Sufia.
Scan go find them mix on your man. No, I find you.
I can see me. I say, my pennies and we are bass and our Sabra wouldn't be on the boy. You.
Ube Jedi say, Atadia, made the buy a coin one shame you. We pen and the buy.
Pussy.
Atadam and no, we are not phone crime in Ibi. I have cried before me who fear her crown. Me busy beside brew you. I'll cry who the crown now, who very say what down. On the chain me fear saying I may buy. The friend just said, made you wait for mammy framing me, just said, Obian Pesobe one, and now me and BP more buy so no baby Natifia.
No,
no, buy a Tifia Hano.
But maybe the Nissan Shakro for no.
And I was saying, Jimmy no Chemo Fia black.
I hear tea. I would have done the tea of my women and see. Or more whom baby of free. In me, I will walk. What I say, come on to you. We ain't your problem, yeah. Baby, I'm here to man.
Come me first can send me a ban.
Pussy.
So can me a ban.
Pussy, who knew? My name is Boss Becassa. Semester. Me young Kumia Blue Bia and Yanchan cram watching. Tisan Kanka, a coin be a bema. Nanko Babishaw.
I saw boy.
Pussy. The Chawiso, I see. So I didn't mean your man about sao. Put me part of Jasso. Saconia be a bar.
Na sisi a minute ya kwa no beti mama be Jimmy no ache. Si se minute ya sisi akwa ba no beto se wo proud tifia no ma. De besi wa akwa na nya bro.
Okay.
You come at it.
In being so cramped, be any so share no or problem at least. Kakra you be dini identity. I'll also try some sorts of kakra. Be a version. Why?
Ode mati me ankasa kwa me hu de menka me pese also rebel because
na over than
apio nam mi se wo chati o se wo ye den o sa abrofi
you are not looking nice as in
we see your life. You see, let's take it again. See my lips.
Yeah.
Pussy. Yeah, that's my brother. Yeah.
Pussy, how dare you bring in a girl into my house? Are you out of your senses?
Black.
Are you stupid? Look at this boy. You are not even ashamed of yourself. You are bringing a girl into my house. And you, what are you doing here?
Black, this is
I say, what are you doing here?
Black, this is disrespectful.
You are mad. Are you? Please, can you go? I say out!
Wait, hold on, please, don't go. Black. You just suck my guest away.
Did you see the insults you are bringing to my house? Do you see the insults?
Black, this is getting beyond limit. This is exceeding what I was expecting. This is too much for me, Black.
And see, this will be the first and last. Bringing a girl into my house. How dare you? How dare you?
Black.
Oh.
Black, if you're supposed to do this, it shouldn't be in front of my guest, Black.
You are stupid. I mean, you are mad.
Black, remember what I've done for you.
What have you done?
Okay, fine.
What have you done?
We shall see. We shall see.
You go and come back with nothing, and you say you done something with. What have you done to me?
Black, you've disgraced me. This is getting beyond.
This will be the first and last. I don't want this to repeat again. If you repeat again, you're going to see the backside of me. Watch out. This guy, me, watch out. Me.
Oima, me very sorry. I will behave your name brother and show you. Monsieur Fache Mwati. How can I say Black me the guest at Befi? Or by see some unnecessary behavior be put you up there. This is unbearable. Oima, Monsieur. DC and Fache Mwati. Black. Oima, Monsieur Wati. It been CB. Why? Just say the way you come me and my dream who I'm in tears. This is how he's behaving with me in this house. See ya no limit here. Just say On mommy nyasu. God.
Don't worry.
We are very sorry, Mr. Ohima. Mr. Why?
Monsieur, you're okay. Say your fault. Is it your fault? No. Oh, grandpa, you're in the family, no. He's more treating you, mommy. So I get it. But you know what? I think it's a fault in name free. Hello.
Welcome at it. Welcome at it. Why?
Fault in name.
So also you're okay, dear.
You're okay. Maybe. Unyano. We share me pen. Nan call pen and I mean she. Nti I think say ono na pɛ me na me mfi na ohun se me no nam ha no. That's the whole thing. Nti don't worry.
It enunti no or yes or put up that behavior no.
Yeah, I think so.
But it's a disgrace. Like total disrespectful to just say
don't worry. It's okay.
God. Ohima.
I said it's okay. It's okay. Say your fault. And then you so na call say.
Me can say me free fear. Cause say me peace of mind pa me I can't even progress cause I'm dreaming you stable. Me ready me sorry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, sorry.
No.
Phone really. But yeah, until I there mommy koja kwan na. So say the assembly see no your kid there cause sisi akwa me hu dia men kan cho cause the way I see wa botre a che say ohun mo bro ne wa homrase no kra ma me pe wa asem mo me hu an mani age on say de bia beba na me dwen but the moment me hu na me sere cause we no we calm che say me tell me wo outside I never met people like you but me hu mani age like me hu na me sure what it
and I will miss. Sir, sure, Senka, you have everything. No one will show you. Say we say Asia. It be a name person meet the right people. It's now we see some culture say, calm down, pray. Never will meet you at the show. It be a very fun.
What? I mean, sure to say what can crash saying natural.
Thank you.
I'll be when
Daddy.
Nama.
Oh, my major heart.
Damn, you're very sorry. You're very sorry. Nah, I don't pay.
To be about which inside Bisana no pay. Oh,
sorry,
the my brochure na idea, my more some way.
I am with you.
I say you are not happy to see me.
Oh, come on.
Oh, please.
Come on, man, yes, sir. I say, and you're my beauty. Yes, sorry, but now it's the end of the day.
I'll be drinking. Say, yeah.
You see me home and yaji, and I make us in the yaji. Eh?
Anyway, call Chrome. Got to tell one and soon. If you so be a you will me anything. I also see soon.
The old mommy.
Yeah, I got
you bought all these for me. Let me see. Let me check it out.
I hope say your size because.
No. I can't check this thing outside here, please. Wow, I'm so happy. I don't mostly receive this gift. Honestly, I don't mostly receive this gift.
Yeah, it's all yours.
It's a blessing to see you. I'm so happy. Come on. I'm so happy. I wish I could do the same thing for you. This is my position.
Don't worry.
I'm the one to do this for you.
I know, but let's go. I just passed by to bring you this. I'm leaving. Okay. Hello. I'm leaving.
All right, sure. Thank you so much.
Later.
So when I come back again,
I'll call you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Take care of yourself.
Right.
All right, see you. na never state. But on businessman so.
Oh. Some girls there, I just dey mercy for them. When I see some girls, I just dey pity for them. Eh? Obaka Makama say, look at the type of guy you are working with. This nomentity guy.
And do you think you are better than him?
Can't you see us that can take good care of you?
Because of your filthy money? Huh?
I have the cash, I have
and
the money.
So what? Not every girl wants your filthy money. Get that? I don't love you. I will never love you.
Excuse, let me tell you one thing. You know, this guy is are you stupid? Allow me to talk.
Don't insult him. Don't insult him.
And let me talk.
Talk.
This guy is just he have nothing. This guy have nothing.
And he has gotten the girl, not you. You have everything, but you don't have the girl.
I can take care of you.
I don't want you. I don't even like your personality. Neither do I like your money. So get the hell out of our lives. Let's go.
Are you serious?
Let's go. Don't let him spoil your mood.
This guy can never take good care of you.
Black.
Just listen to
Black.
me. Let me tell you something.
Black, you know we are on the street.
And so what?
Black, we should show respect to each other on
and
the
so
street.
fucking what?
And besides, there's a girl in between us.
You know you don't have money. It can't do anything. So what are you bragging for? You have to keep calm.
The fact that you have money doesn't mean you can buy every girl. You get that?
So far as I have money, I can buy every girl.
Gosh.
Babes, let's go.
Yeah.
You are no wealth.
We shall meet in the house.
Why are you warning me? Look at this nomentity guy. Are you
Let's
stupid?
go. Stop insulting him.
Oh, my friend. I'm not talking to you anymore.
Then you guys say he can't take care of you. Do I need a guy to take care of me? No, I can take care of myself.
Looking at you, you need help.
I don't.
You need help.
Huh. Babe, do you know what?
Because this fool can never and ever do anything good.
You're more stupid than him. Babe, let's go.
You are calling him a burb. He's a fool. You are just calling a fool a burb. But when he finish you, you will know who you are calling a burb. Look at this fool that come back with nothing. You are just making fun of him. You think you have got a very beautiful lady? It's going to end you in a very